welcome to episode 4 of the bucket wheel excavator series, and we're going to move on to the next stage. And as you can see, I've laid out the parts that we need. We have the instructions, and the first thing we're going to need is piece number 7, which is this piece here, and that should fit into the bottom of the base piece that we've already completed, like so. And we can take our extra thin and just go around the edge like so. And just fill in the edge gap all the way around. Just make sure it's seated. And then move on to step number 2, which is fitting that piece to this round piece. And there's a path or track area on the edge, and that goes facing upwards, allowing that piece to rotate. And it's fitted in place with piece number 6. As you can see, it's got 3 pins that simply slot into place like that. So again, extra thin all the way around, and fit the collar in place. Just make sure that this piece still rotates, but you have a good bond to keep that collar in place. And then on to the next stage, which is putting together these boxes and these cylinders, which I've already done. That way I was able to sand them down. And we can put this piece to one side for the moment. Take this piece, and we want the 2 cylinders and then the 2 boxes. So just a bit of glue. Go around all the edges, like so. Then we do the same with the boxes. We'll just fit them near the top edge. Just like that. Next one in. Just a word of caution. Today it's very hot here, very muggy, and that does cause the extra thin to dry very quickly, so just bear that in mind. When you're using it, you might have to apply it a lot more than you usually would. So we've got them on, and then next is fitting stage 2 to 3, which is our other piece that we've already completed, but we're not going to fit that just yet because we still need to paint it and put the conveyor belt in. We're going to skip that step and we're going to go on to step number 5, which involves these 3 pieces. As you can see, that should be one piece, but it's actually broken off in the box. But not to worry, because you can still put it together. As you can see, there's little locating pegs and locating holes, and on that end there's a shape that fits in like that, and it fits like that. We go ahead, locate the locating pins in the hole, use our extra thin, just allow capillary action to work the glue in, like so, and do the same on the end, again using capillary action. Just like that. This piece fits on the same way with locating pins. And again, using our extra thin, just down the edge there, and down the edge there. And again, using our extra thin, down the edge, hold it in place. What we can do with this to effect a repair is just glue there, locate that in the lower ring, like so, and again just a bit of extra around the edge, like so, and we should be all good to go. So now we've got a fair few pieces put together. This one we're going to leave separately for painting. We're going to leave this base section for painting as well. This piece here wants to line up with that hole there, which in turn this will go into. So go ahead, you can see that that all lines up. So go ahead and glue that in place. and just a little bit of extra glue sleep in underneath, just to make sure it holds into place. Make sure everything lines up correctly, as it should do. And we'll leave that separate for painting. And that leaves that part separate for painting as well. So that stage was quite easy, lots of big parts that just slip together. So let's recap on what we now have. So we've got main base, base extension, and so that's how the main base will look when it's all together, from the side and from the top. And if we just break it down into its core components again, these are all the pieces that are now ready for painting. So we'll put them to one side and we'll get on with the next section.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise.
And this is where we're going to leave the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.